What is up, you guys? It's your favorite cutie Mel back again on my channel to give you guys yet another video. Today we are going to be talking about Nixit. So not to be TMI, but it is what it is. My cycle is coming tomorrow, so I went ahead last week and ordered a Nixit. So you guys know that last time I reviewed the soft disc, and I determined that, you know what, I really like it because it gives me the same benefits as a tampon, but it's safer and it lasts longer. And also, this is something that I can keep, so I don't have to continuously spend money on period products every single month. So what I did was I went on the Nixit website, and then I had signed up for emails, and basically I was getting like discounts and stuff like that, and they had a sale for the bundle. So I ended up just getting the bundle because I'm like, what's the point of continuously spending on the disposable ones if I'm going to end up spending the same amount to just get one? So over time anyway. So what came in the bundle is, it says a Nixit Menstrual Cup Cleanser and Vaginal Wash, a Nixit Menstrual Cup Wipe, or the wipes, and then it also came with the actual cup. The color that I went with is purple. So let's just hop into it. So this says Dick Style. This is the cup, I'm assuming. Let's read it. This is the box. This is the packaging. It came in this little box, all of the things. And let's see. It says, at Nixit, we believe it's time for full circle period care. We're nixing the stigmas and shame that surround menstruation. We're nixing flowery feminine care, and we're definitely nixing the pads and tampons that we use so long without question. Enough is enough. We all deserve better. So basically, this is the perfect product for somebody like me, because after I found out like how harmful period products can be, I immediately wanted to find something that I felt was safer for me without giving up my ability to be able to, you know, walk throughout the world without feeling like I'm going to have to continuously be sitting in, or, you know what it is. If you use pads, then I don't know. It just doesn't feel comfortable for me. And I constantly worry, as someone who has a heavy flow the first 2 or 3 days, that like it's going to leak over, or like maybe it's not positioned right, and you know, it's going to get on my clothes and things like that. So this doesn't feel good. So with the cups, not the cups, but the disc, I liked it because for the most part, I feel like once it's set, and I could just leave it in there for the whole day. So we're gonna open it up together. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's really cute packaging. It says, empowerment is in, embarrassment is out. Okay, and then it says it in a different language, how to use. So it comes, oh, this is super cute. And this is the actual cup. Wow, it's so cute. And as you can see, the little rings. I like it. I'm probably not going to touch it too much because I'm just going to wait a second on that. So let's see. If you guys are wondering how to use it, let's see if this is helpful. It says first, what we're going to do is full circuit care. So I guess how you wash it is to put it in boiling water. It says it can take a couple of cycles to find your rhythm with Nixit. We know we've been there too. We hope you embrace the journey of getting to know your body and your cycle just a little bit better. The more relaxed you are, the easier insertion and removal will become. So it says to clean your Nixit, clean it in boiling water for 5 minutes. So I will probably do that prior to, I'm probably still going to wash it, you know, because you just never know where these are actually stored and stuff. Number 2 is wash, lather, wash hands with warm water and soap. And so you wash it with soap. And then 3rd, you squeeze it, hold Nixit between your thumbs and forefinger, which will be like this. So you squeeze it, and then basically you insert it. So then 4, this is the insertion. It says sit on tippy toes and glide Nixit back and towards the tailbone as far as it will go. Yes, okay. So yeah, makes sense. It says 5, and it even has like, you know, the bone. So 5, tuck and check, place their correctment. So it says with your index finger, push the front rim of the Nixit to tuck it behind your pubic bone. So that's like, you know, when you put it in there, you tuck it in. Is it in? When you stand up, can you keep your index finger on the rim of the Nixit to check that it, okay, it says, is it in? When you stand up, you can keep your index finger on the rim of the Nixit to check that it has stayed tucked in, is in place. So if you want to check it, that's how you do. Then also shows you how to remove it. It says you can wear Nixit, your Nixit for up to 12 hours before emptying. Remove, bear down and tuck, untuck front rim and away from your pubic bone and pull towards you, keeping it level to avoid spillage. Watch Nixit before reinserting. So basically every day you just kind of repeat this whole cycle of making sure that it's washed, inserting, and then it shows you how to take it out. I really appreciate the diagrams. I don't believe that I had diagrams with the disposable ones with the soft cup. So I like it. It's really nice. I like that it comes with this. So boom, there it is. Well, since I'm going to go ahead and wash it anyway, which I definitely need to, because I could see that there's like, you guys can't see it, but it needs to be washed. There's like a, wow, this is so soft. Okay, so yeah, this is the softness. Wow, it's kind of cool. I like it. Okay, and then it has like a nice sturdy rim that you can easily pull out, tuck in. I like it because I like stuff like this, because then when you're trying to pull it out, you can just boop. That's how I take mine out, and usually it doesn't take too much force, and it will just, as far as this, I like it. It's very flexy. Seems like it'll go in just fine. So boop boop. So yep, so basically if this is the hole, you put it in and you kind of boom, and if this is your pubic bone up here, it'll sit like this to collect all of the stuff, and then basically just fill up. And then when you come to take it out, this is a horrible diagram but you just go in and do like I did, like this, and then you pull it out. Boom. Love it. So it also comes with this holding bag, which is super cute. So when you're not using it, when your period is done, you can just put it back in this little baggie for safekeeping. And yeah, and that's that. I like it. I really like it. I think that is super cute, and it's nice. It's nice. Feels like a very quality product and presentation. I appreciate it. Let's see, does it say anything? I'm just looking at the packaging. Okay, next thing in the box is this menstrual cup cleanser and vaginal wash. So you can use this both for your lady parts, and you can also use it to clean your cup. So let's take a look. It says fragrance free, pH balanced, paraben and sulfate free. It's plant based and suitable for sensitive skin. So I love that. I love all of that stuff. It says we've designed a wash that's perfect for your cup and your vagina. Its natural ingredients and foaming properties make it easy for cleaning, no lathering needed. Okay. It says how to use: shake bottle and pump foam 2 to 3 times into clean hands. Cleanse cup or external vaginal area and rinse thoroughly with water. May also be used as body wash. No access to water. There's a Nixit wipe for that. Okay, cool. So we have the wipes as well, so we'll take a look at that. So boom, we're gonna open it up together, keep it clean. I just love how cute their packaging is. So here's the wash. I like that it's a multi-functional wash, so you can use it for body wash, you can use it for your cup and for your lady parts. So it's safe, pH safe, and keeps you nice and good down there. But yeah, so this is it. This is super cute. I'll let you guys know what I think of it. So this is just gonna be the unboxing, but after I have my period, I will make another video to follow up to tell you guys how it went, because this is my first time using this brand. So last time I used Soft Cup, so this is a different brand, and this is one that is one you can keep. All right, so last thing is the menstrual wipes. Boom, here we go. See if it has anything nifty. It says, we know life doesn't slow down when you're on your period. Our wipes makes cleaning your Nixit on the go easy. Simple wipe and reinsert. No water necessary. Okay, let's see. These are also pH balanced. It says biodegradable, fragrance free, and compostable. Keep it clean on the go. And then, oh, it's nice. It's super cute. So you could just take them as you need them throughout the day. I like that. They kind of look like condoms. It says how to use. So it has the instructions on the back, and this is just what it looks like. These are what the wipes look like. It says menstrual cup wipe, individual wipe. It says don't flush them in the toilet, but it is biodegradable. Okay, it says how to use. Open packet and remove the wipe. Gently clean your Nixit. Reinsert Nixit or store in carrying case. Discard wipe. So I'm guessing that these are these just for the Nixit, or are these for also for cleanup with your vajayjay? I don't know. Individual wipe. It might just be for the Nixit. Yeah, it's pH balanced, but I don't know. It doesn't say anything about using it for yourself, and it seems like they're very intentional on this product about the different uses. So I would guess that this is just for your cup. So I probably will most likely I might keep one with me, but I don't really see myself ever taking it out during the day. So I'll probably just keep these at home and maybe just keep one or two in my purse. Yeah, so I guess you can use it because it says the ingredients. If you want to use these to also clean up afterwards, you can. It says the ingredients are water, aloe, berardinis leaf juice. Seems pretty natural. I don't know. I probably will still clean mine with like boiling water and the soap just in case, because it doesn't seem like there's much like disinfecting qualities about these wipes. I think it might be better to just use them as cleanup in between like using the bathroom and stuff to freshen up. But yeah, overall, this is what we got. We got the starter kit. I believe this cost me, with the discount and with shipping and everything, about $56 to $58. Oh, actually, does it say? Oh no, it doesn't say on this little receipt. So, but I believe I spent like $58 just to be safe. And I think at the most you'll spend, I think without it, you'll have to still pay $58, but plus shipping. So basically all the discount did was make the shipping free. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys are interested in seeing more like feminine product reviews and unboxings, definitely let me know by giving this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know down below, do you guys use the Nixit? Do you love the Nixit? On my last video, someone told me and recommended the Nixit, so I'm excited to try it this time, because it's also a new cup or a new product. I'm going to be pairing this product with my period underwear, so that way I don't have to wear like liners or buy liners, but I rather just invest in having a couple more underwear. But I think I have 3 pairs that I can alternate. So basically after I use one, I usually just throw them back in the washer so I could keep reusing them and I could last throughout 7 days. But usually my cycle doesn't last a full 7 days, but you get it. I just keep washing my period underwear so I can wear them and pair them with the Nixit cup. So just in case there are any accidents during the trial period where I'm doing the learning curve, I won't have any problems because I'll still be dry and ready to go. Also, I'm going to be going to a dance class tomorrow, so I will definitely tell you guys how everything holds up. But until then, you know, toodles and boodles for you guys. Our affirmation is going to be, let's keep it simple. I am loved, okay? I am loved. You guys are loved out there. Sorry if my energy is a bit low. I think it's just because, you know, obviously my hormones and stuff are changing, preparing for my period. So I'm feeling a little bit lackluster today, but hopefully this video was still educational and you guys enjoyed watching it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.